Hey y'all, so welcome back. So today we're going to be doing another product review. All right, I'm really excited about this particular product because this is some new content to the channel. This is something that we have never done before, and we will be reviewing some gel polish from the company Rosalind. Yep, you all heard me right. We are going to be doing our nails today. Now, I probably have shared with you in the past doing a vlog or something like that I am my own nail tech for the most part. I do my own nails. I'm not a nail pro, but I will do my own nails. Okay, I do go to the salon from time to time to get my pedicures done, or if I'm in a quick hurry and I need a set and I don't have time to do it myself, then I'll let them do it for me. But for the most part, I do my own nails. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to head over in the next clip. I'm going to get it set up and then we'll begin. Hey y'all, so as you all can see, I have all of my colors lined up and laid out for you all from Rosalind. They sent me 24 different gel colors to show you all. Now with this particular system, you will need, because like I said, it is gel, so you will need a UV lamp or an LED lamp to cure your nails. All right, so let's jump right into it. So I do want to point out that I have the colors laid out on these swatches. They didn't come like this from Rosalind. I actually created these myself. And I got these nail swatches off of Amazon. You got about 300 pieces for, I believe, $5.99. And if you are a nail addict like me, then of course in our local nail salons, then this is how they have the different colors set up. All right. Also, I do want to point out how I matched my colors, because as you all can see, I'll pick this one up right here. Rosalind doesn't have like a color sample on her bottle. So she only has like letters and numbers. So what I did was these numbers come in your swatch set as well. So I went and I just matched up, like this is number 9. So this 9 matches this color right here. All right, this glittery red. So that's what I did. And I felt like it'd be beneficial for me, because when I am ready to create my nails, then it'll be easier for me to locate which particular color I want to use. All right. Now, one thing I do want to point out, when I was creating these nail swatches, I found that with certain colors, they were kind of on the translucent side, which to me is kind of normal, because when I am in the nail salon and I pick more of a bright translucent color, I'll say, for example, this yellow right here, this is like a neon yellow. They have to do about 3 coats on me for me to get like a satisfied color. So that is something that I do want to point out to you all. I also love the fact how they have like an array of colors. My favorites are these pastel colors. I love pastel. So these are colors that I see myself using frequently. And I also love the fact that they included 2 different glitter polishes in this set as well. This is like a red glittery set, and then that one is more of a blue and red and pink glittery. So I love, love, love that. And then I also love how it has like the different nudes, like this one right here. That's kind of a nude. That's like a pale pink. And I'll say like this color over here. Well, I won't really say that that's a nude, but that is kind of on the pale side. So that's more of a purple. All right. Now, I will pick the bottle up so you guys can see it a little bit closer. And as you all can see, it says Rosalind on it. All right. And then this particular size, this is 0.7 milliliter. And then it's a 0.25 ounce. So it is kind of on the small side. It's not one of your big bottles. So it is kind of on the small side. All right. So what I am going to do, I think I want to use this pink right here. So I will see you guys in the next clip when I'm setting up to do my nails. Hey everybody. So I'm back. As you guys can see, I do have my LV lamp, and I purchased this off Amazon. I had it for about 2 years. So it costs under $30, I believe. So I'll try to find a link with something close to it, if not this one. All right. So we will be starting with this bubblegum pink. This is the color that I want. So that is what we're going to do. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So I'm just going to place this down just like this. And I chose this color because well, number one, I love pink. That is one of my favorite colors. And then I felt like when I was doing the swatches that this one wasn't too translucent. And I felt that I probably could get away with just doing 2 coats and then I'll be satisfied with the color payoff. So that is what I'm going to do. I am going to add 2 coats of polish to each nail. All right. All right, so as you all can see, I have been polishing a couple of the nails off of camera just to save time of this video. And when polishing, so you guys, I am not a nail pro at all. I just enjoy doing my nails. But when polishing, when I'm applying my first coat, if you all can see, I don't go directly all the way to my cuticle. Simply because sometimes I feel like when I do it, it gets kind of overcrowded and kind of messy. So I usually save like the final cuticle part until like that last coat, like that second coat. So if you notice that don't have it all the way to the cuticle, then that is why. Have them polished, and now I'm about to stick them into the lamp. So I'm going to hit it for 60 seconds and then I'm going to stick my hand in the lamp. All right. Now you do want to make sure when you have your polish, you want to keep it away from your LV lamp, because I have made this mistake plenty of times. I've had it like the bottle like right near the light, and it basically cured my whole bottle of polish. So that is something to be aware of. So keep that in mind as well. Okay, so now I am applying my second coat. That first coat has dried. So I am applying my second coat. So I'm making sure that I get the whole nail covered with this color. And I'm going to do this to all of my nails, adding the second coat. And as you all can see, I am getting close to the cuticle this time. And if you mess up, that's okay. Have you some Q-tips ready and some acetone, and you can just clean up your mistakes. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I have added my second layer of polish, and now I am taking my fingers out of the UV lamp. So now I'm going to spray my fingers with some alcohol, because this polish does have a sticky layer, and I'm just going to get that off, and the alcohol removes that sticky layer. So yeah, I'm just going to wipe my nails free of the sticky layer. They tend to have like a tacky finish afterwards. So you do need to remove that with some alcohol. So next I'm going to go in with this Mia Secrets finish gel. This is a top coat. I'm going to put that on top of my nails. I think for this one I'm going to do like a little, have like a little accent, a little nail art. So I got like some little, I'll start off with this nail. So I have some glittery hearts that I think I'm going to put on that nail. So this top coat is going to give it like a nice little shine. And my cuticles are so dry. I cannot wait until I put the oil on there. They just look so dry. So yeah, so I'm just going to get this top coat added to all of the nails. Okay, so I am done curing my top coat. I put it in the lamp for about 60 seconds and I did not have to wipe with it, that particular top coat. It was a no wipe. So like I said, I wanted to do an accent nail and I will be using these pretty little holographic type of glittery hearts. I got these off of Amazon as well and I'll leave a link for that. So yeah, so what I'm going to do, I am going to take this base coat right here and I'm going to put that on my nail. And as you all can see, them little glittery hearts, I opened them and it kind of went everywhere. So first off, I'm going to put it on this ring finger right here. I'm going to put it all over. And I'm not going to cure it because I need the finger to be wet so that the little glittery hearts will stick to it. So I'm going to pop open this one right here. I'll use that one for now. I got this little picker. I'm actually going to put a little base coat on that just so it'll make it a little easier to pick it up. And I'm just going to go in and pick up a heart and I'm just going to place it on my nail like so. And I'm just going to keep doing that until I get the hearts positioned the way that I want them. Okay, so I am done applying my hearts and I have not cured it yet. I think it looks so adorable. I love how extra that is. That is just screaming woo. All right, so while I was doing these, I remembered that I had this holographic striping tape. So I'm thinking that I just want to add a piece to the center of this nail right here. Let me show you all how I'm going to do that. So I'm just going to take it and this is already, you know what, let me cut this little piece off right here. So this particular striping tape, so what you want to do is you want to take it, I don't know why I can't talk, but yeah. So you want to take it and I am just going to place it about right there. I want it to be in the middle of my nail, like so, just like that. And then I am going to cut it. I'm going to cut the tip. Like that. All right. And then I'm going to go on top of it with some top coat. And then I'm going to cure it up under the lamp. I'm thinking if I should do each nail like that or if I should just leave those bare. I think I'm going to do each one. So yeah, I think I'm going to just add the tape to those two as well and my thumb. And then like I said, then I'll put it under the lamp and cure it once I add the top coat. So I wanted to come back really quick before I add another top coat to seal my little stripes in. I think they look so cute, y'all. Oh, those are so pretty. So I just wanted to show you guys really quick before I cure my fingers. And I have to do my other hand. So I'm going to go off camera for a while and I'll come back and I'll have both hands ready for you. We back, y'all. We got a little ASMR going for y'all. All right, y'all know I'm silly. So I am so excited with how these nails turned out. It is definitely giving me Valentine's Day. And I probably did get inspired because Valentine's Day is coming up. And that's probably why I did the pink and the hearts. But I'm loving how they turned out. As you all can see, I have my cuticles and my hands all oiled up. I did that after I did my final cure on this hand. So if you're feeling this, then I want you guys to check out Rosalind's nail items. If you're feeling this, and hopefully you enjoyed this. Like I told you guys, I am not a nail tech. I'm not a nail pro. I just enjoy doing my nails. I've been doing my nails for a while now because, you know, Especially, I started when I was young, I guess, because hair, makeup, and nails, it all flows together. All right. So I have fun doing this. Hopefully we'll be back with more nail videos. All right. So I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.